Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 24 hours have been very important. It might not have shown the market to be super volatile, but it has definitely confirmed that this time around the market is very strong as it's able to consolidate around 65,500 for Bitcoin, clearly suggesting that we're not breaking the support under 65. And if we're able to hold that strong, soon as October starts, there are some positive catalysts which will be coming into play, and there will be not many things slowing it down. The trading volume has dropped a little bit, sitting close to 50 billion, but you can see that Doge is still holding close to 850 million. On the other end, there are some whales which are deciding to buy and at the same time take a little bit of profit. Bitcoin around, it's showing a bullish target of about 200,000. Dogecoin creator breaks silence on gigantic 1.4 billion Doge buy, and Doge monthly chart is clearly suggesting that the Dogecoin season is about to start. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything relating to Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening to the crypto market, higher user engagement, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. One thing that is important is you need to understand, right now the price that we're sitting at for Bitcoin, about 95% of the traders, or 95% of the holders to be more specific, have actually been in profit. Therefore, a lot of people are going to be taking profit and deciding to, hold something else. But what you can be paying attention to is, you can see, even though those people which are whales and are taking profit, the market is shifting downwards by being able to consolidate in the same price action. Then pretty much the dip is being bought by a lot of traders and pushing it back up. What does this mean? Well, in simple terms, it just means that the market is actually showing a very strong sign, and there is riskier plays which are being saved. If this market does break below the support close to 65,500, there is going to be a lot of traders which are going to be liquidated, and therefore the market is going to shift even lower. Now, I completely understand that you need to be very cautious when the market's being very consolidating for more than one day, but at the same time you need to be also very positive and optimistic, because right now, after the market has shown a positive trend, consolidation is not a bad thing, because that means that there is a lot of people which are deciding to take profit, but at the same time there's a lot of people which are deciding to buy into the dip. So right now we're sitting at pretty much that center point, or the crunch point, waiting for October to start and new whales to be actually showing a positive trend and buying more into it. The best way to see this, as you guys can see over here, this is pretty much when the whales decide to buy. This green and this green clearly suggests that, and that's obviously going to be the next move forward. I mean, if you have been in crypto for a long time like myself, you know that usually crypto does not like to climb very slowly. It usually likes to go explosive forward and then hold back and just let all the people who are not very strong believers to pretty much get off the boat. Now, if we talk about Dogecoin to be more specific, it's also holding very strong close to its previous support. Now you can see that these supports over here are being touched, but at the same time it's not actually forming anything bad, in a sense that it's still holding above it. Therefore, these supports will be used for the long period of time. And there are some whales like this one, as you can see, that on the 24th of September decided to buy about $15 million worth of Dogecoin and sold about 300,000 straight after. Now, they would definitely not be happy, but right now they are in about $2.7 million profit. The way the action that the Bitcoin market is showing right now, the cup and the handle, it's clearly suggesting that the next move forward might actually push Bitcoin price all the way to 200k. I'm very certain if we do break over 100k, most of the altcoin season is going to make a lot of people extreme amount of money. Now, Dogecoin creator breaks silence on gigantic $1.4 billion or 1.4 billion whale purchase. Now, a whale just bought 1.4 billion Dogecoin, holy cow. And that Billy simply responded, what? and that's a lot of money that's been placed inside of Dogecoin. And this is another thing. While Dogecoin season starts, usually it starts at the end of the market, you know, the bullish season year. So 2020 at the end in December, that's pretty much the time when the market started climbing very quickly, and that's exactly where we are right now. 4 years later, 2024, December is about to come. That's when the market's going to start showing some positive trends, and then in February we're going to be seeing maybe all-time high very soon. Now, open interest has taken a little bit of a pullback today, about 3%. It's not much, but it is a little bit. It's still holding very strong over 600 million. Now 70% is still sitting strong for the buy traders, and that's very good. Now this is another whale that was created about 3 days ago, bought about $15 million worth of Dogecoin, is in profit of 450k. Whales have bought over 470 million XRP just in the past 10 days. That should give you perspective how many whales are actually showing money or throwing money into the crypto market. Dogecoin receives more love and support from Elon Musk. I mean, Elon has been tweeting since his court case came to an end and he has been cleared of not manipulating the Dogecoin price. He has been going very strong, and let's just say the court has clearly stated that you should not be going after Elon for that reason anytime soon. All coins ready to pump. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and other coins are gonna set a big rally. I mean, Dogecoin breaking out of this, you know, trend line was the important bit. Right now, it shouldn't even be consolidating where it is. The reason why it is doing that is because of Bitcoin not able to show a positive, strong movement, and it's in a little bit of a consolidation. If Bitcoin didn't do that, let's just say our boy Doge would have stopped, or the next stop would have been close to 15 cents before any sort of consolidation would have shown up. BlackRock's Ethereum ETF eclipsed 1 billion net asset milestone in 2 months. Now that's a lot of money that's being held by BlackRock. Now be aware, cryptocurrencies to unlock 300 million supply. Now they're not talking about, this is the important bit, they're not talking about like the largest tokens, they're just talking about some specific tokens, so you do not have to worry. So that's why I personally feel like when you read the titles of these articles, just be a little cautious. And Bitcoin eyes a record-breaking September as Bitcoin price support holds strong. I mean, most of the time in September, it's not been the best performance from Bitcoin, but this time around, it's actually holding very strong. And 3 signs that Bitcoin price is not ready to make its all-time high. Honestly, there is not much sign, because the skeptical investors have already decided to start buying into it, and that's the important bit. Right now, Bitcoin's just holding off before the next rally. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.